I always learned through doing when I was in high school. Stout kind of felt like a natural fit for me coming here, knowing that they had that focus on the Polytechnic and the hands-on learning. So when I was touring here, I got to see the golf lab as well as many of the other labs and the different programs on campus. And that's really what was one of the deciding factors for me, is getting to see how important to Stout the hands-on learning was. So getting to work in those labs was something that told me that I was choosing the right place to go to school. The Golf Enterprise Management program is a tremendous program for people interested in the game of golf and the business of golf. So it's prepared me through the variety of classes. For example, the club fitting and repair class, where we get to go over to the lab and we have the different tools required for club repair. We also have the teaching class, where we get to go over to the lab as well and learn about how to properly teach golfers of many different abilities, beginners all the way up to advanced golfers. In the swing lab, we have a golf simulator, so we're able to take real golf swings and be able to look back on slow motion video at what we're doing, and then be able to apply what we learned in the teaching class to help teach what's going on in the golf swing. Professor Sam is a tremendous professor. He comes with a lot of industry experience. Dr. Schoonover has been spectacular, and she always acts with my best interests in mind, trying to find opportunities for me to be successful, both while I'm here at Stout as well as post-graduation. I had two spectacular co-op opportunities. My first one after my freshman year was at Bandon Dunes Golf Resort, which is the #1 golf resort in North America. My second co-op opportunity, I worked alongside Dr. Schoonover at Erin Hills Golf Course, which was the site of the 2017 US Open, which was also a very spectacular opportunity. I've enjoyed my time here at Stout tremendously. Professors are always looking out for my interests as a student, wanting me to be successful in the golf industry.